HTML. Make your first website. Hi. After learning what is HTML and the basic tag of HTML, in this video we are going to make our first website. First, you need a HTML editor. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. You can download any HTML editors. In this video we are going to use Visual Studio. You can download it for free from link in the description. Now create a folder and name it whatever you want. Open that folder in Visual Studio Code. And create a file and name it index.html. And write the skeleton code. Date defines the document type. HTML defines the root of an HTML document. H1 to H6 defines HTML headings. Body defines the document's body. After you're done, go back to your folder. And right-click on index.html. And open it in your favorite browser. Congratulations, you just made your first website. So don't forget to put like and subscribe. Bye.